Golden Gate Bridge,
Let's go.
San Francisco, California.
San Francisco.
It's kind of like the bike. It's connected. Probably like pipe or something. That's what I think. Next. I know. Golden Gate Bridge is really cold and really long. It's my first time. Nothing. Yeah, I'm okay. We're talking to the camera. Really good. People who are watching this. Whoever's watching this, peace. You rock. Yeah. Very. Hold on to the wheel. 'Cause I'm the one. Whoa. Pay attention to the road. I got the camera footage. Then could you pull over? We're so strong that we might have it. Sorry, babe, I'm gonna have it. No, could you fix it like flipping off of the windshield? No, I don't want to. See all the fog? It's in my hand. It's very, 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 very cold. The windows are strong. Let my helmet on. That's why I don't have my helmet on. But my dad's fixing it. I'll get it closer.
I don't know if I get too tight now. Let me see. Stay there. No, this is way too tight. Let me see. Hold on. Too tight. Too tight. Yeah.
My tooth is it's like
coming off?
really loose.
Yeah.
Like a little piece of it coming off.
Yo, hold on. If it comes off in San Francisco, save it.
that? A little better?
Yeah. And my helmet's back on.
Hold on. Here's the picture. Stay right there. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture over here.
I was gonna do the bike. But I was gonna do the bike, but oh well.
Alright, that's good.
Okay, come on, let's go back.
Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Go. Get on the bike.
Wait,
You on?
wait, I'll tell you when I'm ready, okay?
Alright, watch
Cause
out for the other bikers. Go. You gotta always watch out for the other people.
wait, stop. Move to the side. Hold on, no, I'm not ready. Wait,
Ready?
yeah,
Ready?
yeah.
Go. Ready to go, Peter?
Now we're back really fast.
Let's go this game. We're exiting the golden gate.
You know what I don't get? This side, it's all foggy. This side, beautiful.
Beautiful. See if you can do the reverse. Right back. Reverse it back.
I can't.
Yes, just hold on to the bike.
Okay.
We're going 12 miles an hour. 11 miles an hour.
12 miles an hour. Not very fast, but fast. I'm just holding one hand on the brake. I've got something to hide. I'm just holding one hand on the bike. So the other one I'm using for the camera. Very scary. It's okay. I'll toughen up. Now, we're getting kind of about like.
We're on the golden gate.
Remember I was gonna happen to? I'm gonna ride back.
Hit it, Mama. Good job.
We're gonna go back when we do another video. So make sure you go to more videos and then you click the other one. And please write a comment. Please write a comment. I check every day. Man, no comment. But by your help, you can do comment. If you can't hear me, I'm trying to speak the loudest as I can. I know, for you. Actually, really. Now we're leaving. Make sure you hold both hands on the wheel. That's the end of our video.